Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's part 34 lecture series, we will deal with login screen activity in Android with example. So in this we will ask user to enter the username as well as password. If these credentials are matched, then the login will be successful, otherwise not. And one more thing we are adding here, we are providing the number of attempts to 3. If user fails to enter the credentials correctly for 3 times, then it will be locked. Okay, the button will be disabled. So let us elaborate this one with the help of example. Open your Android Studio from file, new project, next. We have to choose the empty activity and next. Here the name of the application, my login, API level 59, click on finish. So our project is now loading. So it has been loaded now. We will initially delete this text view. Okay, we will add the edit text. Okay, so we will set the attributes for this. And here we will prompt the user to enter the ID, login ID. Okay, then below this we have again a edit text. And here I am deleting the name, hint. Here we will ask to enter the password. And we will set the type of this as a password. Okay, so here we have to input type. So here text password, here text password true. Okay, so what we have to set here, input type. Okay, input, and the text password we have to select true. Okay, below this we will add 2 buttons. Okay, here login, and another button cancel. okay, and here cancel. So activity will be cancel. Below that we will have the edit text, text view, attempt left, attempt left, and next to this okay, we will set this manually in the program. Okay, so edit text 1 id, edit text 2 id, edit text 2 button, id is button, and then cancel button, id button 2, text view attempt left, and text view 2. Okay, the text view 2 also. Now let us have the look for this configuration. Activity has been launched. You can see login ID and password. Okay, the password type is like this. Okay, if this login ID and password is correct, okay, then when we click on login, okay, it will show the correct. If we enter the login ID and password 3 times, okay, incorrect, okay, then this button will be disabled. This will not show. Okay, this functionality we are going to add now. Okay, so in the main activity we have the edit text, okay, main activity.java et1 comma et2. et1 is for id and et2 is for password. Okay, then we have button b1 for login and b2 for cancel. Alter enter to import the class. And we have the text view, okay, tv1 which is our constant one, and tv2 we supposed to set the number of attempts, and we will take one more as a counter, int count equal to 3. So we are providing 3 times. Okay, so b1 equal to button find view by id r dot id dot button we have, then b2 equal to again button find view by id r dot id dot button 2 here. Now we have the edit text et1 equal to edit text find view by id r dot id dot edit text, as we have et2 equal to edit text find view by id r dot id dot edit text 2, edit text 2, and we have the text views. Okay, so tv1 equal to text view find view by id r dot id dot text view, and one more text view we have tv2 equal to text view find view by id r dot id dot text view 2. So this is what we have, and we have all mapped this one. Okay, so tv1 dot set text color, we set the color to black. Okay, and font size we will increase somewhat to set text size 20. Okay, for tv2 dot set text, we will set the counter here. So here integer dot toString, we will add count, and tv2 dot set background color, here color dot green. Set text, sorry, set text color, dot green. This is what we suppose, and we will also tv2 dot set text size, and size will be again 20, and this color will be black. Okay, we will set the background color to green. Set background color dot green. Okay, now this is what the initial setting. Now we will add the on click listener to button. So b1 dot set on click listener, new on click listener. Okay, so here we will read the values from edit text 1 and edit text 2. Okay, so string id equal to et1 dot get text. So we are going to convert it into string to string, and again string pass equal to et2 dot get text dot toString. Okay, now we will check this. Okay, if id dot equals suppose abc. Okay, and again we have to check pass dot equals, here pass is again xyz. Okay, if this is if this condition is true, then only we have to show the message. Okay, so here we will show the message in toast t, alter enter to import the class, equal to toast dot make text get base context, get application context, comma, here we have to set the message login success. Okay, and toast length toast dot length is long, and t dot show. Okay, so here we are showing the toast. Okay, if this is not the condition, that means if the user id and password is not equals to abc and xyz, Okay, then else what we have to do? Else, in the else part, what we will do? Toast t1 equal to toast dot make text get application context, and here we have to give the message okay, invalid credentials. Wrong ID or password. Okay, this message we have to give like this one, and then toast dot length long we will set, and t1 dot show we have to show the text. Okay, so along with this we have to reduce the counter. So count minus minus, and we have to set this counter to text view 2. Okay, so this is tv2 dot set text. Okay, then integer dot toString and here we have to intent not, it's integer dot toString and count. Okay, here we have to set the count. Okay, and at the last again we have to check if the count becomes 0. If count equals to 0, then we have to b1 dot set enable equal to false, and tv2 dot set background color dot red. Okay, so this is what for button b1, that is login. Now we will set for b2 cancel button, b2 dot set on click listener, new on click listener, and simply here finish. When we click on cancel, our program will be finished. So this is what we have to keep it in mind. Here our user ID is ABC and password is XYZ. Now let us run this configuration to see the output. Okay, so here the counter is 3 now, ABC, and the password is XYZ. Okay, when I click on login, login success. Okay, if I enter the wrong password, then login, invalid credential, wrong ID or password. This is the first time. Okay, now XYZ is the password. If I enter the wrong user ID, then login, then number of attempt left 1. Okay, and again if we go for the wrong user ID and password, then our login will not be there and the attempt left will be 0. Okay, so it is allowing you to enter the credentials 3 times correctly. Okay, and at the last when we click on cancel, our program will be ended, application will be ended, finish. So this is what about the login activity in Android. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel for the latest update, and don't forget to like and comment to this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is what the code